So at the minute I'm team leader for the Formula 3 team. After a round, what we'll look to do is completely disassemble the car, measure everything, make sure everything's working fine, replace any bits that's broken, and then we just general maintenance, and then we put it back together again really, and then get it all set up ready for the next round. So when we turn the car around, so we have like the clutch, brakes, discs, they're all mandatory tasks. So we always measure our brake pads, brake discs to make sure they have enough wear in them, so when we're showing out to track, he's not going to lose any performance in those certain areas. The clutch is also vitally important, obviously. It's an integral part of the car. We can't perform out on track without it, so we have to make sure that the clutch is at as accurate as possible, is to the correct measurement, and we shim it to whatever wear there has been in the plates. So with that, with the measuring equipment supplied, we have that accuracy and just faith in it really. It just gives us a nice steady mindset, so we know that when Shane goes out on track, he'll be able to pull away from the grid as quick as he needs to be, get himself in a good position.